Okay, for this math lesson, we are going to do a little fractions review that we had on Monday from the lesson we had on Monday. So thinking about what is a fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. So here we have a circle that is cut into half. It's cut into two equal pieces. The bottom number is called the denominator. The denominator always tells how many total parts there are. In this shape, there are two equal parts. The numerator is the top number, and that tells how many parts are shaded. So practicing, this first shape is a circle that is divided into 4 equal parts, and 2 are shaded. And we say that fraction as 2/4. Looking at this next shape, this circle is divided into how many equal parts? It is divided into 3 equal parts. How many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded. We say that 2/3 of the circle is shaded. Looking at this next shape, it is divided into how many equal parts? It is divided into 8 equal parts. How many parts are shaded? 3. We say that 3/8 of this shape is shaded. Looking at this last circle, this is also divided into the same equal parts. How many equal parts? 8 equal parts. How many parts are shaded? 6 parts are shaded. We say that 6/8 of the shape is shaded. Now moving on to fractions of a set. Fractions of a set are defined as part of a set of objects that are divided into equal groups. For instance, we have a set of jelly beans. There is a set of 7 jelly beans. Think about how many jelly beans are blue and how many jelly beans are white. There are 4 jelly beans that are blue, and there are 3 jelly beans that are white. We can write these as a fraction of a set. What fraction of the set is blue? 4/7 of the set is blue. There are 7 in the whole set, and 4 of them are blue. So what is the fraction that are white? Hopefully you said 3/7. 3/7 of this set is white. Here we have a set of bunnies. How many bunnies are there in all? That will tell us what our denominator is going to be. There are 4 bunnies. How many of the bunnies are white? 3 of the bunnies are white. How many of the bunnies are purple? 1 of the bunnies is purple. Thinking about how to write these as a fraction of a set. What is the fraction of the set that is white? Hopefully you said 3/4. 3 of the bunnies out of 4 are white. What is the fraction of the set that are purple? Hopefully you said 1/4. Now it's your turn. You will complete the Google form practicing writing the fraction for each set that is shown. So the next link after this video is the practice for it. Good luck.